Welcome back to Daytime. We have two very special guests here right now to talk about dental doggy disease. Did you know that veterinarians say 80% of pets over the age of 3 have some degree of dental disease? It can lead to pain, tooth loss, and other serious problems, but there are ways to prevent it. Here to tell us more is pet living expert Kristen Levine, and she has brought her beautiful dog, Tulip.
Tulip, yes.
Hi, Tulip. Hi, Kristen.
Hi, Maggie. Great to see you. She just turned 1 last weekend.
Oh, happy birthday. So she's kind of little for serious dental problems, but you do have to start young to care for your dog's teeth, right?
It's really ideal if you start young because it's easier to build a routine with a young dog. And what we started doing at home is, first of all, for daily dental care, she gets a Merrick Fresh Kisses dental treat, which we'll talk about in a little bit. But also, in terms of brushing her teeth, what I started doing is I took a piece of gauze from the medicine cabinet, which has a little bit of an abrasion, but it's gentle, and I dip it in chicken broth.
Oh,
and
smart.
then we just rub it on her teeth. And
when it has chicken broth, she probably lets you.
This is dry. This is not as tasty. But that's a great way people can start to do a daily removal of plaque from their pet's teeth and then work your way up to actually brushing their teeth.
When do you have to start worrying about dental disease, and why is it so dangerous?
Well, first of all, it's dangerous because that plaque that builds up on your pet's teeth, just like our teeth, it's sticky and it's full of bacteria. So at the very least, it gives them stinky breath, discolored teeth, but what you can't see is what's under the gum line. That bacteria migrates into the gum line where it gets into the blood flow, which can travel throughout your pet's body and cause damage to their vital organs. So obviously that takes time. So getting an early start on regular care, which always should include a regular oral exam with your veterinarian. So when you go to your regular checkup, your vet will always do an oral exam, and he or she can recommend if it's time for a teeth cleaning, and he or she can also identify if there's an infected tooth, an abscess, or something that's causing them pain that we might not know about.
Yeah, I went to the vet recently and they said, yeah, your dog who's 3, it needs a cleaning. The ideal thing though for me would be to prevent plaque from happening. Can we do that? Is it inevitable?
No, the good news is it's totally preventable. So the daily brushing, like we talked about, and daily dental treats. And we're using Merrick Fresh Kisses at our house because my dogs absolutely love them. Actually, I have a little clip of Tulip jumping up and down when I get the bag out. And what I love about them is that they're made with all natural ingredients.
Who's this doggy?
Oh, that's Chili. Oh, he loves them too. They're made with all natural ingredients like coconut and botanical oils like rosemary and lemongrass. I mentioned that they love them, but the other cool thing is the design of this dental treat. It's got a shape, a double toothbrush head shape, and it comes in 4 different sizes, so there's a perfect size for whatever size your dog is. And the little nodules on the toothbrush help to scrape off that plaque as they're chewing it. And the texture is a little bit soft, so it really is able to scrape some of that plaque away. So between the daily Fresh Kisses dental treats, the daily brushing or working up to some form of brushing your pet's teeth, and the annual veterinary visits, you should be in good shape. Yeah.
So a couple of things I'm taking away from this that I wasn't aware of as a pet owner. Number one, not only can you, but you should give these to your dog daily, because I wasn't giving it to Buck every day.
Okay.
I didn't know that we should. And number 2, you also say that we have to do some sort of brushing or stimulating daily, ideally as well.
Absolutely. And the sooner you start that, the younger you start that, the easier it is. But even with my old dog Chili, 11 years old, I was still able to start with a mouth massage and then working up to the gauze and eventually a toothbrush. Awesome. So, but you're going to treat your pet anyway every day, so you might as well give them a Fresh Kisses.
That's right.
So that you're impacting their dental health.
And they'll have good breath.
Exactly.
Which is a win-win.
A bonus.
Thank you, Kristen. Thank you, Tulip. And for more information, you can visit merrickpetcare.com/blog. Daytime will be right back.